Imagine a camper motorhome that's smaller, smarter, and more agile than anything you've seen before. The 2025 Tricycle Camper Motorhome is not just a new concept, it's a bold leap into the future of personal travel. Compact, electric, and totally self-contained, this three-wheeled marvel redefines what freedom on the road can really mean. At first glance, the design is impossible to ignore. With a sleek, aerodynamic body, bold LED lighting, and an enclosed cockpit-style cabin, it feels like something out of a sci-fi film. But this isn't just about looks. The trike format offers surprising stability, excellent maneuverability, and access to places larger RVs simply can't go. Powered by a high-efficiency electric motor, the Tricycle Camper offers an impressive range of around 100 miles per charge. It's whisper-quiet, low-maintenance, and totally emissions-free. The ride is smooth, whether you're gliding through narrow city streets or exploring winding back roads. It's perfect for solo travelers or couples who want to embrace a more minimalist, eco-friendly way of adventuring. Step inside, and the interior feels like a small studio on wheels. Space has been used brilliantly. You'll find a comfortable, fold-out bed, integrated storage compartments, soft ambient lighting, and even a retractable desk that doubles as a dining table. The materials are light, modern, and functional. Everything here serves a purpose without feeling cramped. The compact kitchenette includes a mini sink with a water tank, a one-burner induction stove, and a compact cooler-style fridge. You also get built-in cabinets and a modular prep surface that slides out for more space. It's small, but for the kind of traveler who values efficiency and simplicity, it's more than enough. What really makes this camper stand out is its off-grid capability. With rooftop solar panels, a lithium-ion battery system, and energy-efficient appliances, you can stay unplugged for days. There's even a climate control system to keep the interior comfortable, whether you're parked in the desert or tucked into a forest nook. There's a surprisingly thoughtful bathroom setup too. A portable cassette toilet slides out from beneath the bed platform, and there's an optional solar shower with a privacy curtain that attaches outside. It's compact, yes, but it checks all the boxes for short-term off-grid living. From a driving standpoint, the low-slung design and wide rear stance keep it stable, while the electric drivetrain provides smooth acceleration and regenerative braking. Parking? Easier than any RV on the market. You can fit this camper into a standard parking space and take it places traditional motorhomes would never dare. The 2025 Tricycle Camper Motorhome isn't just an alternative. It's an upgrade for a new kind of traveler. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend warrior, or someone looking to embrace a simpler lifestyle, this vehicle makes the journey just as exciting as the destination. If you're inspired by this compact wonder, hit that like button, subscribe for more unique camper reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you take the Tricycle Camper on your next adventure?